How to reset Ruud furnace. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to reset up your Ruud furnace. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. So first of all, let's find out where the reset button location is. The reset button for the most Ruud furnaces is usually a red button located near the blower, motor, or on the control board. So you can just go ahead and look out for that in that area. And in some models, it can also be found at the base of the furnace near the smaller copper lines that connect to the unit. So after you have found the button, what you need to do in order to reset is, step 1 is turning off the power. First of all, turn off the power to the furnace at the circuit breaker or via the power switch located on or near the unit. And on step 2, locate and press the reset button. Find the red reset button and press it, and you may need to remove a panel to access it. On step 3, wait for a moment. After pressing the button, wait for about 30 seconds. And on step 4, turn the power back on. Restore power to the furnace by turning on the circuit breaker or flipping the power switch back on. You can check the operation as well. Observe if the furnace starts operating normally. So that is it. Again, follow up the step-by-step guide in order to reset your furnace of Ruud. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.